Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Summer Days here with another dupe recipe. Today we're going to be making the Crumbl berries and cream cookie. It was the cookie of the week. So yeah, let's get started with making the berry cookie. You're going to need half a cup of butter, a third of a cup of granulated sugar, and a fourth of a cup of brown sugar. And you're just going to cream that together until it gets very fluffy. You're going to add in one egg, eyeball some vanilla extract, and then continue beating that until you get this smooth kind of batter. And then you're going to add in our flour, which is 1.5 cups of flour. You're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, and then I think a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix that in as well. Once that's done, you're gonna add in your berries. I think a half cup of a third of a cup of strawberries and a third of a cup of blueberries because I saw the crumble cookie was mixed. And you're going to mix that in with each other and then form your cookie dough. I made pretty big circles because again, the crumble cookies are huge, and I also picked out a little bit. Next up is our whipped cream. You're just gonna take some heavy cream, eyeball some sugar, and whip that together for a while until you get a nice smooth consistency. You want it to be thick. And then when you're done, you're gonna put that in the fridge. Next is our berry jam, blueberry specifically. You're gonna throw some blueberries in there, add a little lemon juice, add some sugar. You're gonna mash it with whatever you have. I only had this potato peeler or potato masher, and as you can see, it didn't work that well, but it kind of worked. Cook that down until you get this like thick, jammy texture. Put it in a container and let it cool in the fridge until it is like, not steaming hot anymore. Then it's time to assemble the cookie, which is the fun part. You're gonna take a scoop of the whipped cream, or as much as you want, really. You're gonna spread it all over the top of the cookie. Then you're gonna start adding the jam. Originally, I was trying to get it perfectly circular and make it neat, just like the image that the Crumbl, they had on the Crumbl website. However, I gave up and just, that. Here are some sliding things, and here's what the cookie looks like in half. As always, first bite is for you, bestie. Tell me how it tastes, because this was so good, bro. This was like a blueberry shortcake kind of cookie. It was delicious, and I loved it. Yeah, 10 out of 10.